Hello guys, we are back with another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make this very nice traditional choker. Now it's a repeatable pattern, so we will only be doing the repeatable part, and then you can do it as long as you need. You can make it into a bracelet, a choker. I've made a choker, so I've used my long loom, and you can make it a bracelet. It's perfectly fine, it works. For the materials, now I've used this thread to put on the loom. This is a big thread I got from Temu, but it's thick, it's sturdy, and I've used it in two, so I put two strands of thread. For the thread that I've used to add the beads on the loom, I've used this S-Londi in white because the background is white. I've used Preciosa Ornela Czech seed beads in white, black and red. You can use any colors you want, but these are the traditional colors that go, but you can use any colors you want, obviously. Like you can even make the leaves different colors, so make it more colorful, or to make the vine green and the leaves to make it different colors. That also works. Also in the description I'm gonna show you how to do this part here, like the V, so you can add the thread, so if you don't want to use a clasp. I'm gonna leave a link to that video in the description because I made a separate video just for that. So yeah, for the needle I've used a number 11 needle. You can use a number 12, even number 10, I think, the thicker one, because these are if you're going to be using bigger beads. Okay, so prepare your loom. Put the width is 5 beads, so it's going to go fast. So you will need 6 strands of thread on your loom, because you know 1 bead in each gap, so 6 strands of thread on the loom. Prepare your beads. I'm gonna go with 3 colors. You can go with as many as you want. We're going to make only the repeatable part, and then you can adjust the size as long or as short as you wish for it. Okay, so prepare beads, thread your needle, put the thread on the loom, and we're gonna come back and make this traditional choker. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have my loom prepared with the 6 threads. Now I made them double because I'm going to make a choker. You can make them double or simple, it's perfectly fine, but I need more to braid at the end, so I made them double strand. I have my beads prepared right here. So the white, black and red, as I said, you can use any color you want, perfectly fine. And we can start our whatever you're gonna make, bracelet or choker, whatever you want, it goes. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Just a second. Okay, this should be okay. Now first we need to attach the working thread, so the thread with the needle, to the loom. How we're going to do that? We're going to go on the first, gonna go on this side, so on the first thread, and we're just going to make a knot here, not too close to the bar, and leave a little bit of tail, not too much because it's 5 beads, so you will not need a lot to work with, so just a tiny bit of tail like this, and here we make a knot. I'm gonna make 2 just to make sure that everything is secured. See, and I'm gonna put this aside. Okay, now first row, now you see I'm going with my needle under because this is how we will work the loom. Also I've made a big distance in between because yeah. First off, we're going to start with 5 white beads, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we're going to push this down like so, put them each in the one space, so it's 1 bead per space. Now my spaces are very big, so I'm going to have to move my beads a bit, but after the first row it should work perfectly fine. See, now I have one bead in each of these gaps, and now I'm gonna push them from the bottom, always push from the bottom, and I'm just gonna go with the needle through all of them, making sure, like as you can see, let me zoom in a little bit more. So you see my needle is on top of this working thread, and now I will pull the thread. Let me just pick up the tail and just squeeze a little bit, like so. And when I go for the next row, I'm going to go from the bottom, like this. Now, from here it starts the repeatable zone. Like it's just two leaves, one leaf on one side and one on the other. So from here it starts the repeatable. So as much as you want to do it, this is where the repeatable part starts. So pick up one white, one black, and 3 white. We're going to push them nicely down, so under the working thread, like so. Make sure that you put a bead in each and go with the needle through all of them, like so. Okay. Next up, pick up 2 white, 1 black, and 2 white. I'm going to push it down, put them all into their space, and pass the needle through all of them, like so. If you make a knot, just untangle the knot on the side that the knot was created, because otherwise it might become a little bit knottier, like so. Next up, pick up 3 white, 1 black, and 1 white. And push it nicely down, like so. Settle them all into their space and pass the needle through all of them, like so. Next up, pick up 1 white, 2 red, 1 white, and 1 black. Move them all nicely down. Settle them all into their spaces nicely and pass the needle through all of them, like so. Next up, pick up 3 red, 1 white, and 1 black. Push them all nicely down, settle them into their space, and pass the needle through all of them, like so. Next up, pick up 2 red, 2 white, and 1 black. Push it nicely down, settle them all into their spaces nicely, and pass the needle through all of them, like so. Next up, pick up 3 white, 1 black, 1 white. push it nicely down, settling them in their space nicely, and going with the needle through all of them, like so. Next up, pick up 2 white, 1 black, 2 white, now we push it all nicely down, settle them into their space nicely, and pass the needle through all of them, like so. Next up, pick up 1 white, 1 black, and 3 white. Now we push it all nicely down, settling them all into their space nicely, and pass the needle through all of them, like so. Next up, pick up 1 black, 1 white, 2 red, and 1 white. Push them all down, settle them into their space nicely, and pass the needle through all of them, like so. Next up, pick up 1 black, 1 white, and 3 red. Pull them all nicely down and settle them into their space, and now we can pass the needle through all of them. Next up, pick up 1 black, 2 white, and 2 red. Now we push it all nice down, like so. Settle them all into their space and pass the needle through all of them, like so. Next up, pick up 1 white, 1 black, and 3 white. You see, this is this one. It's this row. So this is from the repeatable one. And from now you will just do as we did previously, because this is repeatable. So you will do the next one, 2 white, 1 black, 2 white, and then keep going like this until you reach your length. Super easy, super fast, super cute. This goes as a choker, as a bracelet. You can even make both, like a set, you know. It goes very, very, very well. And yeah, that's it. Like, this is all the repeatable part, and you do it for as long as you need. For the ending, I will leave, so how you do this V, I will leave in the description a link to the tutorial, because I have a separate tutorial for that. Hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully you're going to make it, even if it's thinner, if it is more simple. It's very nice. It's very, very nice. And yeah, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all the good stuff. It really, really helps a lot. And have fun beading. Bye bye.